if you go to Google and search rank higher with AI or like AI SEO, just add AI with any SEO term like AI search engine optimizations, how to do SEO with AI. You will find thousands of videos because of the revolution of AI. So there are hundreds of use cases of AI in the SEO industry. So basically we started a deep dive research in last year, mid after like August or September month. We started using multiple tools and try all of them in different use cases. So finally after like two and a half months later, I drop a message in my paid community that I created something. So after all the research done, I drop a ChatGPT chat screen in my paid community. In a single prompt, I literally use for competitor analysis. I use website structure of competitors. I did the entity extraction. Literally whatever you can imagine the use case of AI in the SEO, I did everything in a single prompt. I'll also drop the same prompt I used to get the best results for my own customers, my own clients, and I'll show you all the use cases you can use AI. You can speed up the process and you can beat your competitors. Okay, so let's go to the screen. I'll show you all the use cases first. After that, I will share the entire chat screen. So you can see here, I mentioned all the use cases, and then these are some additional things. The first thing is you can literally do competitor analysis. You can scrape top competitors' website content. You can identify the local entities. You can create your content journey much faster, like while maintaining the same level of quality. You can literally gather all the data for location pages which you need to start creating content for your client. You can generate literally topical map. You can refine your existing content with whatever you have on your website. You can organize everything in a readable format. Whatever you are getting from AI, you can literally ask him to give you in a desired format. You can do keyword research. You can do technical SEO. You can create silo structure. You can create content and like many more. But these are some major and basic use cases we might use in our daily, like day-to-day life as a SEO. Okay, if you have any use cases of yours you are using AI for, just drop that in the comment. It would be interesting for me so that I can see how you are using the AI. So now I'll show you the exact prompt I used while I was playing with the ChatGPT, and I literally get everything in a single thread. Let's go to that part. So basically from the top to bottom, it will take you more than 5 minutes to explain you everything, and I will share the exact this chat I did with the ChatGPT so that you can go through all the messages. You can see all the prompts I used, and you can also see the outputs as well. So my first goal is here to give the list of cities. So I identify all of these cities. I feed all of the cities to perform the research, and after that I'll ask him to do the keyword research for this niche and the city. I'll ask ChatGPT to give me, like, it's my desired format basically. So I ask ChatGPT to give me the keyword for the keywords in this format. Then I ask him to ignore all of the restoration websites which are running nationwide or the statewide. Basically these are the franchise websites. So I don't need any franchise business. They are ranking because of the authority. Their like on ground SEO is not that much good, but they established already as a brand. So it's because of the trust factor. Google is ranking them on the top of the pages everywhere. But our goal is to identify the real content, real on-page optimizations of competitors. And later then, boom, for every city I get all of the top ranking competitors basically. Then still it gives me the Yelp and the NG, some of the listings. Then I keep asking him for give me the data for all 20 listings. So it giving me the old data for all the listings, and now finally we have the data here. So I ask him to give me all the data in a single table and export as a CSV. The reason why I am asking for the CSV, because I want to get all the data in a single sheet so that I can analyze them further, and I can gather all the data according to my need. So all of these things give me the downloadable link, but I don't know it's working or not. But that link was not working when I was doing the research. If it's downloaded at your end, it's good. Otherwise you can go through the next sections. So now once I'm done with all the list of competitors they are ranking, the first use case, I'm doing the research of homepage. Now I want to create the templates for homepage, service pages and the location pages from the top 20 cities of US market. So let's say all the businesses they are running in the US, in the New York City or in any other big city, they have access to higher budgets. They are working with the top agencies in the world, because of they are paying higher amount for all the marketing services. Whatever the process of on page or the link building, whatever the follows by the SEOs, it's mind blowing. You don't need to pay anything to learn the whole process. Just use the AI, your own creativity. That's it. So now my goal is to create a home page according to all the 20 cities top ranking profiles of the competitors. I asked him to give me the H1 tags, the CTAs, the H2, any embeds they have on the home page, and literally I ask all the questions which I had in my mind. What should be the above fold section? What should be in the second section? What type of CTAs I need? Any USPs they added? Do they have any added reviews? Do they have any embeds? What services they have covered? For which keyword they have optimized the page? So literally I ask him all the questions. You can go through and revise. If you have any additional questions, you can go through and revise your questions here. After the entire prompt or scraping all the websites data, it give me the entire sections. Look at here, the above fold sections. This should be my H1. These should be data should be on my hero sections. He suggested me to use these USPs. Look at my second sections: overview and service offered, H2s, content, CTA, keywords. It give me the keywords also. Third section, why choosers. The fourth section, reviews and testimonials. The fifth section, services and service areas. Sixth section, call to action. Seventh section, footer. And then it also give me the recommendations. I need to use these CTAs, local SEO optimizations. I need to add all of these things. According to my prompt, he suggested me the plan for implementation. The first section, second section, third section, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. And then I asked him, I want you to do this thing for all the domains. So literally now I was make sure that whatever he is giving me here, he just analyzed each and every domain, and according to that he gave me the recommendations. So after that, he again go analyze each and every domain again, and then compile the data in a CSV file. So you can see here keywords. These should be my keywords. These are my services. These are the embed maps. It will give you the entire roadmap for the website optimizations, as well as how you can mirror the entire content as for GBP also. So literally you can see here the tone, the voice, what type of reviews they have on the pages, in which format. So most of the people they are using carousel format. Most of the people they only added the positive reviews on the website. Okay, social proof with ratings, client testimonials. These are the tags, basically heading tag which they used. And then again, still I was not that much satisfied. So I keep refining the entire process and trying to get as much as value from this particular prompt. So then again, I asked him to give me all of this data. I give him a specific role who knows more about the website UI UXs. Then he again go do the same research, then again give me the all 7 sections, and I keep working with him so that I can get all the data in a summarized format. So then I break down the entire process. From this prompt, the real magic start happening. So what should to add in supporting text, what to add in introduction section, what could be the possible USPs of the niche. I'm not talking about any competitor here. I am just doing the research for the particular niche, and this is the best way. You should also do the same thing for the niches instead of going after any competitor. I asked about the strong CTAs, top services used by most competitors, semantic entities, industry terms, local entities, trust entities, and as you know, I want the best version. So just look at how beautifully it compiled every single aspect of data and start giving me, so that I can literally just working with this custom GPT more than 2 or 3 hours. I steal everything, every single SEO strategy they are developing for last couple of years. So you can see here, it's in progress. Cool. I was waiting to complete the entire process. So you can see here my messages is still waiting, and he was doing. Let's go at the fast pace. So from here he start compiling the data. So the competitor's name, the hero section, it will give you the entire thing. Logo on the left, logo centered, logo left, navigation. These all are in the navigation. Services, locations, contact, services, reviews, contact, services, testimonial, contact, about services, contact. So literally for every single competitor you have the exact template of their home pages, how their navigation bar is, what type of photos they are using, what type of text they have on the hero sections, what are their CTAs, USPs, sections of the home page, literally everything. In the first section about the fold, these are the exact H1 they have used. Here is the content, the supporting content, which is like comes after the H1. Second sections, they have added these as the H2s. These also are the H2s. Social proof sections, Google reviews, positive reviews, customer reviews, license and insured. These are H2 for this fourth section. So literally I have content for each sections, more content, and he keep giving me for different competitors. I again ask him the same thing. I want these things. I want these things. Don't go and give me the same repeated data. I want you to go through all of them and give me after analyzing like all the thousands of competitors. So let's start. Supporting text. So basically what to add? Quick value proposition. Now it giving me the explanation as well as why I need to add this section. So quick value proposition, service availability, trust signals, location relevance for local SEO, and it also give me the best practices also. So you can see here I literally get all the things. Now I was getting some issues while I was trying to download it. So it was fine. I can directly copy from here. There is option you can go and copy from here. Now I keep giving him the additional prompts to get to refine the entire results. And if I take you to the sections where he start giving me, due to some technical issues, it was not giving me the CSV file. You can see here. So I asked him to show me the entire data directly here. So it give me. So I'm 100% sure before this video you have only know about CTA. You have never listened or watched primary CTA, secondary CTAs, urgency driven phrases, conversion focused CTAs. It's mind blowing. It decoded literally everything, and it also in upcoming prompts it will also explain where to use the primary CTA, where to use secondary CTAs, where to use urgency driven phrases, where to use conversion focused CTAs. So it's like completely new concept for literally all of you. When I was doing all of the research, literally most of the things I never heard before. So that's the power of the AI. Because of the access of the data, you and me only can access the data, which is like we know very few people in the world where we can learn from, but it has literally everything. You can go through the entire process and look at the CTAs. How should primary CTA looks like? Call now, get a free estimate. Look at secondary CTAs, look at urgent CTAs, look at conversion focus CTAs, and the best practices as well. Again, the supporting text should be looks like this, and also it gives us serving let's say local SEO mentions and phrases. This is most important for all the local businesses. It give me all the variations I should use on my website. So let's say your local plumbing experts in Houston providing services to city. So let's say providing AC repair to Houston residents since 1994. Literally you just need to replace the service and the city, and your headlines, your H2s are literally ready. You don't need to do anything here. It will give you every single detail about each and every section. So if you are serving city, these are the examples. If you are targeting landmarks, these are the examples. If you are targeting emergency services, these are the examples. If you are doing 24-hour services, these are the examples. Literally you will get every single example for each and every type of variation of local entities basically. So it give me data about neighborhoods, it give me data about landmarks, it give me data about the intro sections, the business introductions, the local expertise mentions, and then USPs, type of USPs, different. So why we use the USPs? To build the trust. and credibility, showcase our expertise, create urgency. So, and these are the perfect examples. So near CTAs should reduce frictions where we need to place all of these USPs. Why choose a section? Brilliant idea. Near CTAs. So let's say you put a call now button just below or just above, you can use some USPs, so that boosts the confidence of your customer to book a call with you, to fill the form, to provide you the details so that you can take follow-ups later. Fast response time. This is the most common USP in this niche because customers need immediate help to minimize the damage. 30-minute response time guaranteed. Just look at the competitors for this niche. You will never ever found such deep research content, and literally I get hundreds of different variations, and also I generate the content. Look at here, we did the keyword research. Look at here, we did the keyword research in the same prompt. I asked him to create a page based on Surfer SEO NLP. Okay, I'll ask him to generate me a content outline in the same prompt, in the same thread. And look at here, he give me H2s, H3s for my page. If I scroll down, I ask him to generate a schema, service schema, home page schema, local business schema, then FAQ schema, then reviews schema, breadcrumb schema, and then person schema. Okay, and now I provided him, I want more details about city level targeting, and I'll provide him the examples also. And look at the prompt here, so you can easily understand what I am trying to get from the chat. Okay, and then he again go and generate a page for me along with all the entities. I asked him to generate the entire silo structure for me, and just look at how I literally did every single, I used this single chat to get all of my use cases result. And in the next step, I asked him about giving me advanced level research for my location pages, how I can create location pages, what should be my interlink structure. I asked everything. See here, look at here, city level targeting. How should my city level targeting should be, my URL structure should be, my SEO focus should be, placements should be, then neighborhood level targeting, then county level targeting, then audience specific targeting, and here is the entire site structure. I again ask him to expand the USPs, then he again give me the expanded list of USPs. So before we only have 1 or 2 USPs like these 3-4, now we have a list of 20 USPs which you can use at different pages if you are using like different content. And then realistic useful USPs, emergency related, we handle your insurance related. So it's like it give me like a huge list of USPs. Again, I want him to generate me keywords around near me, close to me, nearby. So in local SEO, like you have already seen that near me terms, close to me, nearby, these are some rising terms. Basically it give me the exact example. This is my service, this is the example. So you will get examples for literally everything so that you can create the exact strategy for your own content creation process. Full local targeting strategy for county level pages, service pages. Just keep going. You will get. Now I give him another prompt, and I want him to create a city based page. So it will give me the exact template for service, like city level page. It will give me the exact template for city level page URL structure, metadata, sections, above folder section, why choose a section, my services, local expertise, neighborhoods and zip codes, landmarks, recent work, customer testimonials, FAQs, and contact details. Entire page along with all the entities, which is like completely missing on my competitor page. So how I am able to get this kind of enrichment data? Because we analyzed more than 1,000 competitors from top 20 cities of US market. So it's the combination of data. So most of the websites, they are not optimized, their service pages are not good. Some websites, they don't have good location pages, but whatever we have right now, it's a combination of them. That's why our research data is far better than them. Now I ask him for internal link structure. So look at here how beautifully he managed to interlink city pages, linking between city pages, neighborhood pages, related service pages, landmark pages, county pages, blog content, and linking to my GBP content or GBP contact page. Literally he did everything in a single prompt, and you can see the entire interlink structure here. Again, I ask him for something unique and different. He again is starting creating page for neighborhoods. So just go through the entire prompt. I'll drop this thread in the descriptions. Please go through the entire thread, use it, generate the same kind of results for your own research you are working with. And if you have any questions, let me know. After going through the implementation part of this particular thread, if you really found this video helpful, come back later, do subscribe my YouTube channel, like the video, and please drop a comment. The purpose of showing the entire exact way how I do my research is that you can save your hundreds of hours of time. So there are thousands of video already available in the market, I mean market by YouTube already. So it doesn't make any sense for anyone. People always come up with the new tools, new techniques every day. So right now, every day, like hundreds of AI tools is launched. How we are going to use them? Is there any direct use cases? Is they are really help us to make more money? So these are the real use cases. I'll show you exactly how I used to do all the research in less than 2 hours. If I really want to do the exact research by manual part, it took me more than 3-4 months easily. Okay guys, have a good day. See you in the next video.